I ain't a saint. I've made mistakes that still keep me awake. I've crossed state lines, I've crossed old scars, still got a few ghosts riding in my car. I've left good towns before sunrise, left good women with no goodbye. Thought freedom meant never standing still. Funny thing is, it never will. Every mile I left behind still catches up from time to time. I'm somewhere between the man I was and the man I meant to be. Somewhere between the road behind and what's still ahead of me. Every choice I ever made still echoes somehow now. Yeah, I'm somewhere between then and now. I knew some brothers made of steel, at least that's what we used to feel. Now half their names are carved in stone and half got lost somewhere alone. We swore we'd never fade away, thought we'd outrun time someday. Now every year goes by so fast, makes you wonder what'll last. Funny how the older I get, the more I live with my regrets. I'm somewhere between the man I was and the man I meant to be. Somewhere between the road behind and what's still ahead of me. Every choice I ever made still echoes somehow now. Yeah, I'm somewhere between then and now. There was a girl back long ago, a different life I'll never know. I always thought I'd have more time, life had other plans in mind. Sometimes I wonder where I'd be if I'd fought for what mattered to me. But every road I chose to ride made me who I am tonight. I'm somewhere between the man I was and the man I meant to be. Somewhere between the dreams I lost and the ones that still find me. Every road that brought me here still rides along somehow. Yeah, I'm somewhere between then and now. Yeah, I'm somewhere between then and now. The fire burns a little lower, the stars hang over town, and I'm still somewhere between